Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on the basis of price action behavior, and we will upload some important patterns and important support resistance so that you can use those patterns and those support resistance as a reference during trading in coming trading sessions for gold. And from the chart you can see that currently we are on 4 hour time frame, and we are on live chart also. So if you focus on the current candle and current behavior from the gold chart, you can see and you can say that currently gold bulls are coming up for the last dance ahead of the all important US Federal Reserve policy decision. Or you can say that currently gold fate is uh, completely hinges on the all important Fed decision and US NFP release that is due for this week. So this week is very important in terms of fundamental analysis for gold, and we have to keep an eye on those decisions also for from the Fed meetings. But let's just put that aside and discuss how currently gold is behaving from the price action point, and we will try to analyze those patterns and those support resistance. So as you can see from the chart, we already plotted some important support and resistance zone, and we already discussed these in latest prediction video for gold. Now let's just reanalyze some important trend line and important pattern. So let me just draw a trend line and discuss and rediscuss those level. As you can see, we already discussed these in recent prediction video that so if you focus here and let us zoom in for a better view. We already plotted these trend line and discussed in detail in recent uploaded video, but let's just analyze for current behavior. So as you can see, so from the chart it is clear. Let me just take a screenshot so that I can write on the screenshot, and you will get a better idea about the price. So from the chart, if you focus here on the chart, you can see from here that we already discussed this in recent uploaded video that gold was trading in this particular flag pattern in uptrend position, but you can see that in recent session gold break out this pattern in the downside, and we already plotted this level that is at around 1778, and we already predicted that this is a major support in terms of down move, and it is currently acting as support, and it is rebouncing from this level to upper resistance zone, which is 1792. So we already plotted this and discussed these in recent prediction video. So but from the current price behavior we can say that gold currently break out this important trend line, so after the breakout currently gold is you can say rebounced from this level, and it is going to retouch or retest this trend line, this particular trend line. So if gold is able to retest, and currently you can see that it is testing the currently price is testing this particular trend line, and if gold is able to not able to get through this trend line to the upper zone or at the level of 1792, then we can see a sharp decline from this to the lower level also. So currently our most important area to focus is on the trend line support, and on the bottom area is at around 1778. So for me currently I'm expecting that if gold is not able to get through this trend line, then we can see a sharp decline toward the lower level, and the immediate support, if gold is able to break out this particular level, which is this level, we can see a sharp decline to the lower level, which is at around this zone. So this is at around 1760 to 1766 level. So we can see a immediate fall of gold to lower level to these price point. But if gold is able to penetrate, or you can say break out the trend line, upper trend line, which is currently will act as resistance, so we can see upside move. And we already discussed this many times that 1800 level is a major psychological barrier in terms of buying side. So if gold is able to hold the 1800 level in upper side, then we can see another bounce of price in terms of buying side, and the immediate resistance in buying side is 1818 level. We already discussed these level in recent uploaded video. So as you know, and I already mentioned in video, that this week is very important in terms of fundamental analysis, so we have to keep an eye on those points also. But from the technical aspects, you can see that currently gold is testing this trend line here, and the major resistance in terms of buying side is 1792. If it is not able to break out this level, then we can see a sharp decline to lower level. So this is the main level for gold currently. So this is the analysis for this video. We will discuss more in next video. Thank you.